Guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on the application of Chatbot AI Nova. We click on settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you search for the Nova app. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.